Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Chase credit card, and more specifically, we're going to go over how to activate your Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Chase, it is one of the largest banks in the US right now. Might even be the largest, but I'm not too sure about that. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But I went ahead and ordered a new Chase debit card because I bank with Chase. I also have a credit card with them. And a brief rundown of what happened. Basically, I was using my debit card at the register multiple times, and this little chip right here, this card, it kept having some sort of an error. So when I would use it at like Target or Walmart, I would insert my debit card into the machine, try to read it. It kept telling me remove, insert, and you have to do it like 3 times, and then eventually it lets you swipe the debit card. But it was kind of annoying because the people behind me, they were just kind of frustrated because they want to get home, maybe they're after work or whatever the case was. So I went ahead and ordered a new Chase debit card. And since I was ordering a debit card, I went ahead and ordered a replacement credit card as well, just to avoid that little situation. So here's my new credit card right now. Now, when they send you the credit card is not activated. You do need to activate it before you use it. And they give you instructions right here on this little sheet that they send with the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. So on the sheet, it just kind of goes over your credit limit, cash access line, last 4 digits of your account, how many cards you have on the account, and also your address. But more importantly, right here in this corner, it's letting me know that it's one of those contactless cards, so you can use the card to tap at merchants that have this little symbol right here. But you do need to activate the card. They're giving me a couple of different options to activate the card. I was actually surprised that you cannot activate the card on their app. I looked around, possibly they do, I just didn't see it or I couldn't find it. If you happen to know if you can activate these credit cards on the app, be sure to leave me a comment below, let the rest of us know. But basically you have to call this number. It's 1-800-708-2736. Again, that's 1-800-708-2736 to activate the card. I don't really like to activate cards through the phone number just because it takes a while to kind of get through the IVR system and it can get kind of annoying. But the nice thing is they have this right here, chase.com/verify card to confirm receipt of the card. So I'm going to do that right now. Let me go ahead and pull it up on my mobile right here. So I'm going to open up the Safari browser now. All right, so here we have it. I went ahead and pulled up that website, chase.com/verify card. And then this comes up. It says, please sign in to verify you received your new credit card. And I've already enrolled in online banking, so I do have a username and password. If you don't have that, then you will need to call the 1-800 number to activate your Chase credit card. I have that, so let me go ahead and enter in my credentials off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in my username and password. I'm gonna go ahead and click sign in now. All right, it's logging me in. All right, so I've logged in now, and immediately it's asking me to verify your card. It did not go to the home screen for the web mobile banking. So you want to go ahead and verify the card number right here at the top. I blocked mine out. As long as the card number looks correct, go ahead and click next. I'm going to go ahead and click next now. All right, after I click next, this green dot popped up, and I guess that means that the account has been activated. It lets me know the last 4 of the credit card number. It lets me know the available credit. Also here at the bottom, it says if any merchants bill your card directly, please make sure that you give them your updated card information. So whoever has this credit card, I'm going to need to give them a call because the expiration date and the last 3 digits on the back of the credit card have changed. The credit card number itself remains the same for my particular account. Yours might be different if you change the card number, if it was lost or stolen. So I'm going to go ahead and click go to accounts. All right, so there you have it. That is how you can activate your Chase credit card. If you know an easier way to activate your Chase credit card, be sure to leave me a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that useful. If so, click thumbs up and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.